Why is Wayne the most trusted name in sump pumps? 3 reasons. Tested to 1 million cycles. Assembled in the USA. Ultra-quiet operation. The combination of our energy-efficient motors, premium components, and proprietary integrated float switch have engineered the most reliable sump pumps on the market. Wayne sump pumps are tested to 1 million cycles in rapid cycle testing conducted by a nationally recognized testing laboratory and analyzed by an independent analysis expert. All Wayne sump pumps are assembled here, right here in the USA, for best-in-class quality. Our reliable line of submersible sump pumps are designed to fit in any application with a standard 1.5-inch NPT discharge. The durable CDU series, with epoxy-coated body and cast iron base, are available in 1/3 and 1/2 horsepower and can move up to 5,100 gallons per hour. Also available in 1/3 horsepower and 1/2 horsepower. The professional-grade all-cast iron construction of the CI CDU series will be the reliable high-performance addition to any home. Our top-of-the-line CDU models with premium corrosion-resistant stainless steel are available in 3/4 horsepower and 1 horsepower designs for maximum pumping power of 6,100 gallons per hour and come back with our highest limited warranty of 5 years. Wayne pumps are also the hardest working pumps you'll never hear. Engineered with premium energy-efficient motors, carbon ceramic seals, and dual rolling element bearings. And Wayne's unique top suction technology, which is critical in a sump application to filter debris to minimize clogging and eliminate air locking. No air locking means no need to drill a weep hole, so no fountain in the basement or gurgling sounds like ordinary pump designs. Tested to 1 million cycles. Assembled in the USA. Ultra-quiet performance. Everything your home needs down in the basement. All from Wayne. Durable, reliable, worry-free. The most trusted name in pumps. Get yours today.